In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect your WhatsApp application. You are probably concerned of protecting your WhatsApp conversations with others from anyone. I'm going to provide you with a quick steps on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. In your WhatsApp app, navigate to your top right corner where you see the three dots and tap on it. Then scroll down until you locate settings. Then on this interface, continue to tap on privacy. So you have a list of menus here. Scroll down until you locate fingerprint lock. Then proceed to tap on fingerprint lock. So on this interface, we have the option to unlock with fingerprint. As you correctly see, when enabled, you'll need to use fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So in the event we want to enable this fingerprint lock, all we have to do is to toggle this on. Then we have to type the fingerprint sensor. So once your fingerprint has been confirmed, you can proceed to cancel it. You can tweak these options. You can allow automatically lock immediately. You can also allow automatically lock after 1 minute, or you can make it after 30 minutes. So whichever option best suits you, make sure to select it. After that, you can also show content in notification. Whether you want to preview the sender's message on anything, you can proceed to toggle this on. But a quick advice is, if you are enabling the fingerprint lock on your WhatsApp, I think it's better to keep this option off so that notification will not be seen for anyone to have access to read your message in your notification. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.